Hey Nippon travelers, what's up? Today we are in Daikanyama, the little Brooklyn of Tokyo, to talk about sushi. Now when I say sushi, you think of fish, right? Fresh red tuna on white rice? Well, not today. Today we're gonna have beef sushi. This is the Daikanyama branch of Kintan. Now Kintan is a great place to go for quality yakiniku, which is Japanese style barbecue. But today we're here especially for the delicious Wagyu sushi. Let's get ourselves warmed up before the main event. Can't come to Kintan without having some yakiniku. This one's special because it's from Sendai in the northern part of Japan. Feels good. Sendai beef. Nice. You can even have your beef with some wasabi as well. Really good. Okay, let's do it. Let's bring on the main event. Check it out. Okay, what have we got? We've got a piece of Wagyu. We've got a piece of Wagyu with truffle, a piece with sea urchin and caviar. And this one here is slightly flame grilled, and this one here is a nice piece of topside. So excited. Okay, let's do it. Let's have beef sushi. Okay, first of all, we're gonna go with the piece of Wagyu. Here it is. We got it. Nice. Okay. Okay. It's so beefy. Definitely truffle, nice and earthy. And piece number 3 is the piece with sea urchin and caviar. Let's give it a go. Piece of fresh fish with a piece of fresh beef. Best one yet. If the raw thing isn't for you, then you can get it slightly flame grilled, like this piece here. That's the best one. That's the best one. If you like flame grilled salmon, if you've ever had aburi salmon from a sushi place, this is the one for you. That is so good. Last one, I'm sad. Okay, and the last thing we have here is Yukke, which is raw beef topped with almond and soy sauce on one side and onion and salt on the other. Here we go. That side with almonds and soy sauce is really good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out Kintan when you're in Japan.
すっごく美味しかった。